Okay, so both of you repeat after me at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
So this one, alif.
Alif.
Again, alif.
Alif.
Ba.
Ba.
Yeah, ba.
Ba.
Yes, this shape, this, it is ba. Okay, this is ba. One dot at the bottom. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember this. Ba has one dot in the bottom. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Alif.
Alif.
Ba.
Ba.
And this one, ta.
Ta.
Yeah. Ta.
Ta.
Yes. Ta.
Ta.
Ta has two dots on the top. One and two. Okay. Ta.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
Ta.
Ta.
Da. Ta. No.
Don't say tha.
Ta.
Adam, you don't say tha. Okay. Tha not. Say ta. Ta.
Ta.
Good. Very good. Very good. So ta.
Ta.
Ba. Ta.
Ba. Ta.
Ba. Ta.
Ba. Ta.
Yes. And this one.
Sa. Sa.
Good. Tha. How to pronounce this letter? The letter tha, we pronounce this letter with the tip of tongue when that's the bottom edge of upper central two teeth. Okay. So fa.
Sa.
Aliza, you.
Sa.
Good. Tip of tongue with the edge of upper central two teeth. So fa. Yeah. And now Adam, you read. Fa. Yes. These three letters has the same shape. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same shape, but the difference is between dots. Okay? Ba has one dot and ta has two dots and fa has three dots. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Okay?
Okay.
So again, alif.
Alif. Alif.
Yeah, at the same time. Alif.
Alif.
Ba.
Ba.
Ta.
Ta.
Fa.
Fa.
Adam, you. Fa.
Sa.
Good. Okay. So now these three letters has the same shape. Okay, has same shape. This one Jim.
Yeah.
This one Ha. And this one Ha. But what's the difference? Aliza, you tell me. What's the difference? You know?
Only one of them doesn't have a dot, but Jim has a dot. And Ha doesn't have a dot. And Ka has a dot, but it also has a little dot as well.
Yeah, but no, little dot. This will be not. We consider. We don't consider this dot. This is nothing. Okay, okay. This is nothing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, don't look to this. Just consider on these letters. Okay. Not this one. So Jim has one dot in the middle. Okay?
Yeah.
Ha is empty and kha has one dot on the top. Remember this, okay?
Yeah.
Kha has one dot on the top. So, yeah, repeat with me. Yeah. G.
G.
Ha.
Ha.
Yeah, ha from the middle of the throat. Middle of the throat, okay? Ha. Ha.
Ha.
Aliza, you read ha.
Ha.
Adam, ha. Again. Yes. This one.
Ha.
Kha. This is heavy letter. Okay. Read it with heavy voice. Okay. Kha.
Ho.
Adam, you read kha.
Ho.
Yeah. Again. Kha.
Ho.
Yeah. So Jim ha kha. Read together. Jim
Jim.
ha
Ha.
kha.
Ho.
Good. Alif
Alif.
ba
Ba.
ta ta
Ta.
fa
Sa.
jim
Jim.
ha
Ha.
kha.
Ho.
Okay. Now these two letters has the same shape. Okay. This one
Yeah.
and this one. But
Yeah. So Sal has a dot, but Dal doesn't.
good. Dal.
Dal.
This one. Val.
Sa.
Yes. Dal.
Dal.
In the end, sound of L. Okay. Dal.
Dal.
And this one. Val.
Zal.
Lu. Don't say lu. Val.
Zal.
Good. One thing you need to know. The letter fa, like with the tip of tongue, with tip of tongue when touches the bottom edge of upper central two teeth, right?
Yeah.
And the val, same. Okay, it's same to this letter fa.
Yeah.
So val with the tip of tongue when touches the bottom edge of upper central two teeth. Okay, so say val, val.
Zal.
This is, yeah, this is soft letter. Okay, say val.
Zal.
Yeah, Adam, you read val.
Zal.
Good, mashallah. Okay, so dal, val.
Zal. Zal.
And this one, ra,
Ra.
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 Yeah, Adam, you read ra, ra,
Ra.
za.
Za.
Yes. So ra and za, same shape. Okay.
Okay.
Ra is empty and za has one dot on the top. Okay. So ra.
Ra.
Yes. Ra za.
Ra. Za.
Good. Seen. Seen. Yeah. Yeah. So seen has 3 tips, okay? Like 1, 2, and 3. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. 3 tips.
Okay.
Seen.
Seen.
This one. Sheen.
Sheen.
So seen and sheen, same shape, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, seen is empty, sheen has 3 dots. 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
So now you read seen, sheen.
Seen. Sheen. Alif.
Alif.
Alif. Alif. Ba. Ba.
Together. Ba.
Ba. Ba.
Ta.
Ta.
Fa.
Fa. Sa.
Jim.
Jim.
Ha.
Ha.
Kho.
Ho.
Dal.
Dal.
Zal.
Zal.
Ra.
Ra.
Za.
Za.
Seen.
Seen.
Sheen.
Sheen.
Okay, so this is your lesson. Okay,
Okay.
13 letters. Okay, so practice these letters.